Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft is apparently working on an updated Microsoft Store app, which is also going to have some big policy changes, and this is all going to be happening in the rollout and release of the Windows 10 Sun Valley update, version 21H2, which is the second feature update for Windows this year, rolling out in October or November of 2021. Now, in Windows 10 21H2, Microsoft will try to recreate the app platform to the Microsoft Store and also introduce a new interface that will basically let you find and download the apps that you actually need, because at present most popular apps are either outdated or unavailable for download in the Microsoft Store. So if we just pop over to the Microsoft Store in the current version of Windows 10, you can see in the home page that things are pretty outdated. There's a lot of stuff in here that many of us will never use or even download. So Microsoft is trying to change this in the new version of the store, rolling out with 21H2, and also they are apparently going to be giving it the Fluent Design icon and theme, which is going to be rolling out with 21H2 as a whole. And at present you can see that it looks rather clunky, and it still has the the square sharp looking corners, where the Fluent Design in 21H2 will just give it that more rounded modern look, which will just make things a lot more appealing as a whole in the visual outlay of the Microsoft Store. Now, I'm sure that many of you will agree with me that compared to the Google Play or even the Apple Store, that the Microsoft Store doesn't come close to those in the availability of apps and what you can find and download. And Microsoft is trying to change that and bring more apps to the Microsoft Store in Windows 10 21H2. And the way they're going to do this is they're going to have some big policy changes, and I'm just going to highlight a few of those. And these policy changes will allow developers to submit unpackaged Win32 apps to the store. And another one is it will allow developers to host apps and updates on their own content delivery network. And the last one is it will allow developers to use third-party commerce platform in the apps. So with these new policy changes, Microsoft wants to basically position the Microsoft Store as an open platform for developers to deliver all kinds of apps to Windows 10 users, which I think is great news, because things definitely need an upgrade in the Microsoft Store. Now, in addition to these policies, it also looks like the apps can now use their own built-in update system and bypass the Windows Store for faster updates. So that will be interesting, just to see how that rolls out. And then obviously the policies could allow Google Chrome, Visual Studio, Microsoft Teams, and other popular apps to be found and downloaded from the Microsoft Store. So this was just a quick update regarding the way forward for the Microsoft Store. I think at the end of the day, we all agree it does need a visual upgrade, and also the content that it gives us needs to be updated and upgraded as well. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.